Hey, what's up bros? So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a boost control solenoid on a 2006 WRX. On the last video I showed you how to do the external wastegate. So now we have to have that boost control solenoid to manage the boost. So here we go. Alright guys, so the stock boost control solenoid on a 2006 WRX is right here on the passenger side, right where the strut mount is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off these two bolts that are holding on this bracket to get access to this guy. Alright, so as you can see, there's the stock boost control solenoid. I'm going to take off this bolt. I need both hands to do that, and then I'll show you guys what's next. Alright, so I got this stock valve freed. So as you can see, it runs to the turbo. This was connected to the internal wastegate, but we don't have that anymore. And then this other tube is connected to the inlet pipe. So first what we're going to do is just disconnect this and get it out of the way. You could take off this hose that runs to the turbo, and then this one that goes to the wastegate, because you're not going to need those two anymore. And then this other boost hose right here runs all the way to the inlet pipe right here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this end off and we're going to leave this connected. I might have to cut this off, but we need this sizer to step up to this pipe. So I'm going to take this little guy out, and then we're going to put it into some new vacuum line. So now I'm just going to disconnect this connector, and then this old solenoid will be out. There we go. Now we got this guy out, and we're going to put the new one in and get it all set up. Alright, here's the boost controller. It's a Grimspeed boost controller. These aren't the stock barbs that come with it, only this one is. I bought this used off Naziok, but I'm gonna order the barbs from Grimspeed to get the real ones put back on. So we're gonna mount this to the side right here, and then I'll start showing you where to plug all the hoses in. Alright, so I ended up getting the controller mounted over here with this little bolt right here, and it's pretty sturdy. So now I'm gonna route the vacuum lines, and I will show you where I'm putting them. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm gonna wrap up this boost controller. I didn't have enough vacuum lines, so I had to go to AutoZone this morning. It was already 2 o'clock last night, so let's get to hooking up these vacuum lines, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, so the first vacuum line we're gonna run is coming off the wastegate right here. So this line from the wastegate is gonna end up going to port 2, which is right under here. So I'm gonna cut this and attach it to there. So this top port here, that'll run back to the turbo. So that line will connect right here to the turbo right here. There we go, I got it connected. I'll probably zip tie all these on too. And then this last port right here will go to this port right on top of your intake. Alright, so I got this routed all the way around here. So now I'm just going to take this extra, cut it off, and mount it to this little adapter. There you go, that's how you install a boost controller. So again, this bottom port goes to the wastegate. This middle port goes to the turbo, and then this top port goes back to the intake. One last thing you have to do is connect this old boost controller connection to the new one, and then she's done. Now you have your wastegate and your boost controller all set up. Now you just need a tune and you're good to go. So that's how you do a external wastegate and a boost controller. If you like these two videos, please like and subscribe. The next two videos are going to be installing flex fuel into the WRX. Start with the injectors for one video, and then the actual flex fuel kit for the second video. So if you guys want to see that, they'll be coming up in about a week or two. Have a good one, guys.